Getting vaccinated early before sexual exposure is really safe, recommended and effective in preventing certain types of STIs, like hepatitis A and B. It's best to be vaccinated in a young age, but it doesn't matter if you haven't. There's always a chance for you to get vaccinated. Mutual monogamy is being sexually active with only one person. Keeping in mind that mutually monogamous relationship with an uninfected partner is one of the most reliable ways to avoid STDs. But first, make sure to have an open and honest communication with your partner. Use a new condom or dental dam for each sex act, whether oral, vaginal or anal. Condoms made from natural membranes are not recommended because they're not as effective at preventing STIs. Keep in mind that while condoms reduce your risk of exposure to most STIs, they provide a lesser degree of protection for STIs, such as HPV. Genital herpes is spread through skin-to-skin contact with an infected area, typically during any kind of sex. In rare cases, a herpes infection can be spread from mother to child during birth. HSV1 can also be transmitted through kissing. When transmitted through oral sex, a herpes infection can be passed both ways, from mouth to genitals or from genitals to mouth. Don't worry though, the herpes virus is not spread through shared toilet seats, swimming pool, hot tubs or bathtubs. Itchiness of genitals, small blisters on and around the genital parts, fever or headache and painful urination are some of the embarrassing symptoms of the genital herpes. As soon as any symptoms appear, it's best to see a doctor immediately. There are medications that will help reduce the pain of sores and they will help you to get rid of them. Southdown Sexual Health Center is a free confidential service for all issues relating to sexual health. You wouldn't even need your Medicare card. Testing and treatment for STDs, including HIV, counseling on all issues related to STDs, sexual health, sexual function, and sexuality, vaccination for at-risk groups, pregnancy testing and advice, contraceptive advice, free condoms and dental dams, education and training are some of the treatments processed in South Zone Sexual Health Center. If you get a positive test result, it means that you have an STI and need treatment. Some STIs are treated by antibiotics. It is important that you use all the medication directed by your health clinic to make sure the infection is gone. Sometimes you will be asked to return for a follow-up visit to be sure that the treatment worked. Keep it in mind, with STIs that are curable, it is possible to get them again. Some STIs are not cured. If you are diagnosed with an STI caused by a virus, such as a HIV, you may have questions or concerns about how those STIs will affect your life. Always feel free to ask your sexual health clinic. For any extra information, feel free to check these websites out too. They could be helpful.